Vas-y, commence, Samy. Push, 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 push. Bravo. Look. All your weight.
Gushakana n'uyu muzungu byanyigishije ikintu gikomeye cyane ko urukundo nyarwo it's not about who does most, ahubwo ko urukundo nyarwo ari ugufashanya. Urukundo ni ukuvuga uti ndahari, I'm present, igihe mwashakanye akeneye akaruhuko. From cooking, taking care of our baby, no kwitangira urugo muri rusange. What you're about to see in this video might seem like something small, but to me, it represents something deeper than this. Bisobanura ufatanye, amahoro yubakitse ku rushako rwacu. Gufatanya mu buzima bwacu bwa buri munsi, whether it's housework, raising our baby, or working to provide, ntibigabanya icyubahiro cye nk'umugabo. Ahubwo birushaho kuduhuriza hamwe, bikadukomeza, bikatwubakira urugo rwiza rwishimye. I'm telling you, he is not just my husband, he is indeed my best friend. And these are the tips that brings us together, happily ever after in love. Enjoy this video.
Please subscribe. Yes, please subscribe.
Gitondo cyiza kuri wowe, welcome back to Home of Love. This is Nana online and I'm happy to have you here. Amahoro y'Imana bane nawe. It's so much joyful to spend another day with you. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back home. This is your home indeed, and we shall have fun today. And if you are new here, please don't wait any further. Hit the subscribe button and become one of us. Hano umupapa yari amaze kutugaburira breakfast, niwe wayiteguye, hanyuma turarya. We had to make a quick visit to one of family member urwaye, yari mu bitaro, so turitegura tujya kwa muganga. Akoreye ibintu ukuntu bisa neza. Umugabo ntabwo biciriritse ko umugabo yajya hasi akambika umwana w'inkweto. Umwana n'uwawe, mwereka urukundo, biraryoha kandi ni byiza, birema n'urukundo rwinshi mu mufasha wawe. Niba uri umugabo uri kubikora, it breeds a lot of love to your wife, sincerely speaking. Shami rero agize mu myaka adashaka ko hari umuntu mukoraho, nkaramufata ukuboko cyangwa muterure, it's a fight. Hano twari dutashye dusubiye mu rugo. Spend this day, ntihagire ikintu kigucika. You will have a lot of fun and it's going to be very impactful to you, whether you're married or planning to get married soon. Bizagufasha rwose in your life journey, trust me.
What did you get for mommy? Thank you, Chupacabra.
olala bebe hano yari yarushye pe yahise asinzira mu modoka tugeze mu rugo ndamuryamisha. I make sure that his nap is very short kugira ngo abashe gusinzira nimugoroba sino biba ari hatari. Hano rero naramukanguye after 1 hour ndamugaburira and we went out again tugiye guhaha for making groceries. Hari ingo nzi natangaho ingero ariko ntabwo nazivuga mu mazina aho usanga umwana atinya papa we. Papa araje abana bose bakava mu nzira. Ibyo twese turabizi. Nukuri it's really nice ko umwana amenya ko papa is not only my dad, he's my best friend. Mama is not only my mom, she is my best friend. These are two people that I can confine myself in. Rero twe tugeze mu rugo buri wese afite icyo yafashe. We breathe this in the mind of Shami kumva ko nawe agomba kuba useful. Tumuha rero ibyo abasha gufata. Nanjye mbafite ibyo mfashe behind the camera. So tumaze kugera mu rugo, but every moment of our life we make it fun for sure. Tugeze mu rugo rero umupapa yavuze ati mva ruhuka cause I know it's not easy during the day kwiga kuburi kwiga uri kwita ku mwana uri kwita ku rugo kandi ibintu byose ukabikora neza. Umva ruhuka, this is my turn, let me also take care of you. Kandi ibi ntabwo yabikoze on a special purpose, ni ibintu akora most often.
Wow, baby, how did you make them?
That's my sauce.
Wow. Wow.
Like a real chef.
Yes.
Vas-y, push. Vas-y, chérie. Come on, now cook again. Your feet, this feet down. The other you push. Bravo. Look. All your weight. Bravo. The other foot. Push. All your weight. Oui, bravo. Oui, bravo, chérie. Good boy, wow. You do it yourself. Bravo, chérie. Come in.
Yeah!
Your first balloon. Red. White. Pink. Green.
Yellow! White!
Orange.
Daddy!
Again. You still have strong? Oh yes, red. Vas-y, push. Vas-y. Push. Ah, it's hard, hein? Il chope les pieds. Vas-y, voilà. Yeah. Bravo. He did the first one by himself, very standard. Bravo, chérie. Congratulations, bravo. So, orange. So many balloons, baby.
Yo!
Oops. Sorry.
White! Red? Pink? Orange? What's a purple?
Voilà.
Oh no! What's a purple? Okay! Yay!
So let's put some sauce for each other.
Mommy!
To me, it's a delicious sauce.
Daddy! Wait! Wait!
The chicken. It's normal fish. Comme dauphine. C'est une sauce champignons, tomates séchées, crème. Everything it's hot.
Purple! Yeah! Daddy!
Fast one. And daddy's bon appétit. Bon appétit la famille, bon appétit les amis. He jumped on it. He won his balloon so much, huh?
babwiza ukuri I gave this food 10 out of 10 kuko byari biryoshye pe. Gusa no mu busanzwe umugabo asanzwe ateka neza, he's a good chef, not by profession, ariko arabikunda guteka kandi abikora neza rwose. Aha rero twe turimo tureba the last vlog. Very funny. Every time Shani looked himself on the TV, yarasekaga byadanje. Byari byamusekeje byatari. He couldn't believe it's him on TV. Aha rero papa yaramaze kumwoza, reba ukuntu ushaka bisa neza. Ibi ngibi ijana ashaka kutabyibuka ko aracyari mutoya. Ariko don't worry, I have it saved. That's why I'm keeping these beautiful memories.
Okay.
This will always remind him. Aha rero namwandikiye Arnaud, namwandikiye small note mushimira njyatasha kuri miroir ahantu aza akahita abibona in his mother tongue language, mushimira ko ari umugabo mwiza, mushimira urukundo twerekanye na bebe, mushimira umutima mwiza bikorana. Ntekereza ko gushima ni umuco mwiza cyane. When you say thank you, you attract more goodness, more blessings into your life. And here umwana agiye kuryama yabonye urukundo rw'ababyeyi bombi, haba mama haba papa, kakaryama kishimye, kakinnye, karushye, kahita gasinzira. As we are coming to the end, thank you very much for spending this beautiful day with me. Please subscribe for more beautiful content. Love you all.